There are many products available to choose Ring camera, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best Ring camera from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Ring Battery Doorbell Pro with Ring Chime Pro. Pair your smart video doorbell with a Chime Pro for even better home security. The Chime Pro serves as a Wi-Fi extender as well as a mini speaker system that provides real-time alerts and doorbell rings from anywhere in the house. This is particularly useful in multi-story homes where you may not hear the doorbell ring from upstairs. It even works as a night light that provides a bit of visibility and warmth in any room during the evening. Number 2. Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Plus. With 2 powerful floodlights, this security camera brightens up surrounding areas when motion is detected. The cam is great for warding off unwanted guests on your property as well as helping you find your keys in the dark. The security camera also has a 105 decibel siren in case of an emergency or if an intruder approaches. Number 3. Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2 Wired. The newest generation of video doorbells from Ring offers even more accuracy than past models. It comes with 3D motion detection that lets you know how many feet away a person is from your door. Plus, it records in 1536p HD for absolute clarity even on cloudy days. The Pro 2 also has many of the great features included with previous generations, such as two-way audio, night vision, and the option of wired or battery-powered setup. Number 4. Ring Spotlight Cam Plus Battery and Ring Indoor Cam. Protect your home both outside and in with this combo. The Spotlight outdoor security camera provides crisp, color night vision, plus it offers a motion sensor and a built-in siren to ward off anyone who gets too close. The indoor cam delivers clear images and offers automatic connection to your phone once plugged in and searching. It also has a privacy feature that prevents it from recording or capturing footage in certain areas of your home. Number 5. Ring Alarm 14-Piece Kit Home Security System. Completely revamp your home security system with this 14-piece alarm system. It includes a base station, 2 keypads, 8 contact sensors, 2 motion detectors, and a range extender. The multiple sensors are great for multi-bedroom homes with several large windows. The dual keypads help you cover both front and back door entrances. We also appreciate that it also comes with a 30-day trial of Ring Protect Pro. The membership plan typically costs $20 per month. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.